Hey slime fans, it's Melissa here from Mom Luck, and I'm super excited to share with you this really fun rainbow slime recipe. It's super easy to make. It just requires a few simple ingredients that you probably have around if you make slime. So if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button so that you can stay updated and get all of our newest slime recipes. And also, if there's a slime that you'd like to see me make, just leave a comment below and let me know, and I'll try my best to make that happen and give you a shout out in the next video. So let's get started. So first, you'll need a large bowl. You don't need to get a nice bowl when you make slime. Just this one I got from the Dollar Tree, and I like to make my slimes in. Okay, so I'll be using Elmer's school glue for this, so just add about 1 cup, and it doesn't have to be an exact measurement. I'm gonna turn around here so you can see really well. Okay, yeah, that may be a little more than 1 cup, but that's okay. Next, you're gonna add some shaving cream, probably about a half a cup. Okay, and now we're going to mix this up. Okay, now is the fun part. So for this slime, I'm going to be using a borax solution. You don't have to use borax. If you'd rather use baking soda and contact solution, that's fine, but I just like the borax solution the best. So just slowly pour in a little bit. The key with making slime is to add your ingredients in slow. I know we all get into a rush to get it done, but trust me, the slower you add it in, the better slime you're gonna have. So it's already starting to thicken up, you see, and I've only added a tiny bit. So just add a little bit more. Keep stirring. Now at first it's going to be really sticky, but that's okay because we're going to play with it, and the more that you play with it, the better slime it's going to be. I love fluffy slime. That's probably my favorite slime because it's soft and it reminds me of a big fat marshmallow. Okay, so this looks about right. You don't want to add too much borax at first. Okay. Now go ahead and take that slime and you want to knead it in with your hands. And kneading just means you're going to take it and stretch it and squeeze it and really get all of those ingredients mixed together. Woo! Now it's still pretty sticky. I'm going to play with it for a little bit longer, and then if you need to, you can always add more borax solution. You always want to add a little bit because you can always go back and add more, but you can't take it away if you've added too much. All right, so I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to add a little bit more borax, just a tiny bit. Okay. It's probably going to stick to this paper, but that's okay. Move this bowl out of the way. Oh yeah. See, it looks like a big marshmallow and it's jiggly. Leave a comment if you like fluffy slime. Or if you don't like fluffy slime, tell me what slime is your favorite. Okay. So now I'm going to take the slime and I'm going to divide it into 3 different pieces. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right, so this first one we're going to do green, so just add a drop of green. And then you're just going to fold it in like this. It's not really that green, so I'm going to add a little bit more. It's almost like a yellow. All right, add it in again. There we go. Now it's starting to change green. Oh, and it's super stretchy too. What do you guys think? Okay, so we've got our green, and now we're gonna make blue. That may have been too much blue. Okay, same thing, I'm gonna fold it in without touching the green. That is so pretty. I love blue slime. Ooh, that would be pretty all by itself. It's like a stretchy, well, I don't know. Fluffy cloud. All right. So there's blue. And now we're gonna do purple. You could do purple, pink, or even like a yellow, but I think you need like a bright color like this to really go with the blue and the green. You can hear it popping as I stretch it out. Oh, I love this. I wish you guys could feel this slime. It's really soft. Okay, I'm gonna speed this up. Okay, so we have our colors mixed. We've got green, blue, and purple. Now's the fun part. And I think I'm gonna like divide this so I can make 2 different batches. So we'll do a purple here, green here. Oh, let me lower it so you guys can see it. And green there. Pick all of these up. Oh, wow, that is beautiful. Holy cow. Look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. Let's do it one more time. Try to make those real pretty swirls. Okay. I don't have the best paper for this. It's sticking to my... Oh, that's so pretty. Purple. Blue. Green. We're going to do this again. Oh, look at that. So that is how you make rainbow unicorn fluffy slime. So I hope that you guys like this video. I would love to keep making slime videos for you guys, so give this video a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.